cookies told by Pierre.
Now we have the cookie's expression of being all dizzy. Ugh.
Now we have the cookie's expression of being all expressions of cookies told by Pierre. Here we have the expression of knocked out.
Now here's Cookies going, wait, I gotta explain something.
Now here's Cookie dizzy. Here we have Cookies and she's all like, it's plain old Cookies hanging out being cool. Here we have Cookies going, wait, I gotta explain something.
Here we have knocked out Cookies, but he's like,
Here we have knocked out Cookies, but he's all like, I don't like this. Here we have Super. Now he's all like, Here we have Cookies, he's all, smiley Cookies, look at him, he's all smiley. Here we have Cookies, he's all like, ooh, Cookies, angry, big dog. Here he is all angry. I don't know about this.
he's like, oh.
He's like, oh man, in my head hurts. Man, let me think about this.
We're gonna leave this video with just plain old happy Cookies. Pierre, what do you think?
We're gonna leave this video with just, oh man. We're gonna leave this video with just plain old happy Cookies. Pierre, what do you think?
Awesome. Y'all take care. Have a great rest of your day.